Good morning. It is a lovely Monday morning in Linville, Tennessee, and I'm happy because we are out on Happy Hill Road. This is Giles County, Linville, Tennessee. Just had a great little breakfast in the local, I think they call it the soda stop, right in downtown Linville, like walking into a museum, kind of. They claim to have the best cheeseburger in Tennessee, so I went ahead and had one of those for breakfast. But anyway, we're not here to talk about my breakfast. We're here to talk about and review this piece of property. So we are on 22 acres of land here. This is laid out as a farm of sorts. And I just want to give a tour of first the house, and then we'll probably do a little more of the land and the barn in a separate video. So here we have about a just under 2,000 square foot home. And the folks are in the process of moving, so just overlook the personal stuff that's kind of strewn about here. But so in the front door, we're in a large living room area that adjoins this dining room area here. Looks like we have a vinyl floor there. Kitchen's kind of tucked away in this corner. Pretty spacious kitchen, lots of cabinet space. And this is the back door to the property. So there's what you're looking at out the back door. And got your washer and dryer back here. So now we'll walk through and see all the bedrooms. So again, here's the dining room. And here's your living room area. Plenty of room here for spreading out and meeting with the family or Thanksgiving dinner. Large bedroom here. Walk-in closet. See if I can turn on that light. There we go. There's a walk-in closet there. All right. This really is quite a large room. Okay. And we've got a bathroom here. Double sinks. Additional bedroom. And then this is the master. And there's a master bath here. And we got another walk-in closet here. All right, so that is the house. And I'll go ahead and go out the back door and do a panorama of the barn. Then I'll make a separate video close up to the barn. Alright, so that's 1258 Happy Hill Road, and I'll go do a tour of the barn in a separate video.